Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to set up custom mode in Samsung Galaxy S22. To set up our custom mode, we have to go to settings, then in modes and routines, we have few default ones, and we can add more. We can change quite a bit here. We can change our color of our picture. We can change name, of course. We can change picture. We can customize all things here. Like, let's say don't disturb on, restrict app usages, so what app will be turned on during this mode and which will not when mode starts. We need and when mode ends. We have to have other applications here, but we have our phone is new and clean, so we don't have these applications. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.